Okay, I'm back again with problems, again with the communication between the printer and the computer. Okay, just to show you, the printer is connected to the ATT Wi-Fi. Okay, and then it is connected via the LAN mode, local area only. Okay, and my computer also now is connected to the ATT Vista network. Okay, ATT Vista connected. Okay, and the item has been loaded into FlashForge. Okay, imported into FlashForge. Okay, and then I want to print the plate. I go to the device. Okay, which is the device. I add the device. Okay, to it. I am in the LAN mode over here, okay? And then when I go back to print, it switches it off. I try to print, and I get no printer connected. This keeps happening over and over again. It was working fine, and then this just stopped working. Okay, I don't know why. I didn't change any settings. So tell me what's wrong and why it is not communicating. Thank you. Okay.